Alright, y'all. So, it is, what is today, Cadence?
The 6th.
It's Tuesday?
Yeah, not Monday.
No, it's Tuesday.
No.
For sure.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah, you're right.
It's guaranteed Tuesday. So, Tuesday the what? 7th?
6th.
Alright. So, it's Tuesday the 6th. And we are 26th?
No, June 6th.
June 6th. Sorry, y'all. We're about to clean. We cleaned outside yesterday. We got everything straightened out. All right. And so this is like all that's left. I even went over here and we straightened out everything over here to where now everything is clean. And me and Cadence had camped here like a couple weekends ago. And when we did, I just never fully cleaned up everything. And I just got the feeling like it was getting real ghetto out here. And I still need to get this stuff up. But yeah, we're going to knock this out and then go do some riding. Fortunately, I've had a body shop right down the road that's been interested in hiring me for some time. It's like $1,000 a week deal, 9 to 5, every weekend off. It's like banker hour type job. He has a couple he knows, and so he has been offering me work. And then I have a friend of mine too that is interested in buying a tow truck and running that. My wife, I don't know, guys. I gotta. That's a lot to think about, and so I'm not making any decisions real fast right now. These are big decisions to be making, so I'm going to be kind of taking care of some life stuff. Me and the kid, we're going to clean up just a little bit, and then we're going to hang out and do something we haven't really done in quite some time, and that's just talk and me find out how she's been doing and just actually get some time to listen to my kid. And that's something I haven't done in a long time, so that's what I'm going to be doing, guys. I'm going to get this stuff straightened out. We'll get an update with y'all here in a little bit on this. The GoPro is unfortunately in the car, so if we do some rolling on the camera, it's all going to be with the S23 or whatever. So give us a little bit. We'll get this straightened up. So while we were cleaning, found this old gem. So Cadence, ever since she was little, all I ever bought her was Diamondbacks. So when I was a kid, it's all I ever wanted was a Diamondback. I mean, there were all kinds of different really cool bikes. She had the GTs and all of them. But I remember when I seen her putting stickers on, I said, "Baby, what are you doing putting stickers on your bike?" Of course, she's a lot smaller than she is now. And I said, "Your bike already has the coolest sticker in the world on them." And she didn't understand that she just had a really cool bike. But yeah, this is probably her 5th Diamondback. She's had all kinds of junior Vipers. I've got pictures of them on Facebook. But yeah, we're getting it cleaned up. We're a lot better shape than what we were. We got all the big stuff out, and now we're picking up, going through, throwing away trash, and then we're gonna sweep the floor. There's a couple old spots we're gonna be getting up and stuff. So, all right, we'll get right back with y'all. Okay, y'all, we're gonna show you some progress. All right, so we're getting there, and then Cadence was just asking me about. Because she's washing her bike, she said, "Dad, what can I get? Can't get wet." And I said, "Well, we can take a piece of plastic and cover what can't get wet." All right, Boog, and just try to, when you're washing it, yeah, just try to keep water off of that, and that'll help you a lot, okay? All right, y'all, I'll get back with y'all on the update. This is getting there. All right, so this is all nice and clean. Wind's starting to blow. We just got through washing the bikes. So Cadence has decided that she's done with the 110, y'all. She's hey Boog, we got to get your front badge if you're selling it. She's wanting to post it today, which it's fine. You know, I had told her whenever she was ready to move up onto her next bike that she was gonna have to clean up the old one real good. And we do have video of all of most of its life here, so people want to see it running and stuff. We got proof that it runs. So yeah, and you want to clean it up so it matches the bike first. Yep. And then she's wanting to sell it and go up to a 110. So she's wanting to stay away from the 2-strokes, y'all. She's watched plenty of videos. She understands the power delivery to the rear tire.
125 or 2-stroke?
A 125 is a 4-stroke and a 2-stroke. They make those in both, but the 110 is going to be the little less.
Well, I was looking at the 125.
Well, so okay. Well, 125 is going to be a 4-stroke 125.
Yeah.
So she's wanting to go to a 4-stroke 125, which she's there. I mean, she can. I had that DRZ 125, and she can stand on it. So it's time. She's cleaned it up. She's putting the badge on it now. We're gonna get some screws. Put the badge on the front. Let's see. Let's see it.
It doesn't need a.
This little thing. I paid $500 for it off of Marketplace a year ago or so, and she's been riding it and had a blast. And we'll sell it for $400 or $500. And I mean, it comes with a brand new carburetor that has never been installed. We still have. It comes with an extra tube, so she shouldn't have any problem selling it. We might drop the price a little bit, go down to $4, because I mean, she's been riding it for a year. But right now, I mean, the prices of everything have went up, and it runs solid. I mean, it has a very slight oil leak, but you just keep it topped off once a freaking month or so, and you're fine. But yeah, we're going to get that posted, and then we'll be back with y'all. All right. So we are down to pretty much like rolling the bikes back in. But we've already posted the 110 or the 70cc, and she's had like 4 hits, but I don't know if y'all have ever sold anything on Marketplace, but those, you know how they send you the thing and they say they want to send you a confirmation code? Well, Cadence just learned how to avoid scammers, right? So we're gonna roll this one back in. We're not gonna ride it since she's just washed it. She's gonna ride the 4-wheeler, but yeah, we're gonna roll this back in, y'all, and then we're gonna get a little footage of us riding. I'm not too sure where exactly on the property we're gonna go, because she's still pretty fresh on the 4-wheeler, but she did a really good job last time, so we'll be back with y'all. All right, there's the final product. So now we can set up some type of little area out here. It's got a good breeze that blows through here, so it's actually nice. Yes, Boog. She's got some more hits on the 4-wheeler.
I don't want to do 300 for it.
So here is an offer. There's an offer for 300. Yeah, just tell them no. Say, you know, what do you have it posted for? 5?
Yeah.
Tell them for it.
450.
Tell them 450 is your lowest price. Tell them
I'll
that's.
say 425 to be nice.
If that's your bike, baby, if that's how low you're willing to go. So she's doing some haggling, y'all. I'll be back with y'all. So this is like the final. So I've done a little bit more, just getting stuff picked up. So as far as an update on Cadence's dirt bike, the guy is supposed to have sent the $500. We're waiting on it in Zelle. Once that clears the bank, well, she's went ahead and posted it pending just for now, just because she wanted to give the guy a fair shot, which I respect that. So hey, you know, she wanted to do that, so she's posted it pending, and I'll keep checking the Zelle every, I don't know, I'd say every 10 minutes I check it, and nothing's happened. So I don't know what exactly is going on. So there's that. Everything is, I got all the stuff from over there. So man, it feels a lot better. The before and afters, you guys will be able to see. It's awesome. So I feel a lot better about this. Inside, they've already started on it, and we're going to continue on it. It's nice. I just man, I don't really like filming a lot inside because I'm just self-conscious, right? I don't know why. I just don't want to. There's only so much I like to show, but at the same time, it's really nice. Like, we have a nice apartment. There's a fireplace. I mean, I don't know we've got it all cleaned up, but I'm getting kind of used to opening everything up. So I kind of started out here, and I guess we'll slowly start getting a little bit more inside stuff, because that's going to be some of the content. I mean, the channel is going to be definitely changing a little bit as far as that's concerned. You guys just bear with me. I have plans. Y'all have heard about them. I told them about it in the earlier part of this video. So just stick with me. We're getting there. Thanks for watching. All right, look, just do me a favor and go down that little tight trail right there. I want to get you. So she's new on the four-wheeler. It's a 200cc, but that thing's got brakes on the front and back. You can look at that. Yep, hug it, hug it. Easy. Okay, nice book. Y'all, that is very steep. So like, and slow, please. Nice and slow. Stay in control. I gotta get my bike. She's at the bottom of the hill now, but yeah, cool. Yeah, okay, let's just give you perspective here. There is, look at the fit. I mean, she's literally, and then right here, if you come off any of these rocks, I've had it happen. You slide down on that log and you're stuck. I have fought right here trying to get up. Look at her go. I have fought up here trying to get out. We're gonna get up here and get my bike and go down and catch up with her before she gets too far away from me. She's comfortable on that, and it scares me. To stop to check her. She had to stop and check her phone, see if the dirt bike had sold. Alright, y'all. So she's gotten to where she's getting pretty comfortable on this thing. It has like this little thing that every now and then it makes a weird grinding noise, but anyways, here she comes. Sideways. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, she's doing good, y'all.